DJI Mini 4K drone on sale. Last chance before US ban tightens, the DJI Mini 4K drone is currently available at Amazon for $239, a 20% discount from its usual $299 price. This matches the record low for the model and may be one of the last opportunities to purchase legally within the US. Why now? The FCC drone ban explained the Federal Communications Commission, FCC, has recently implemented restrictions on foreign-made drones, effectively banning new sales from manufacturers like DJI. However, existing stock in the country is exempt, making current availability limited. Once these units are sold, restocking may be impossible under the new regulations. Key features and performance: the DJI Mini 4K is a popular choice among content creators and drone enthusiasts, known for its reliability and ease of use. It boasts simple controls, one-tap takeoff landing, automated return-to-home function. Flight time, up to 31 minutes on a single battery. Wind resistance, operates in winds up to 23 mph. Altitude, capable of flying at altitudes up to 13,000 feet. Despite being a mini model, the drone's brushless motor delivers smooth performance at high altitudes. Third-party seller considerations: the current deal comes through a third-party seller, Hibikin US, on Amazon. While Mashable typically advises caution with such purchases, Hibikin US maintains a positive performance rating, and Amazon's 30-day return policy still applies. Given DJI's restricted direct sales, this is currently the most viable option for US buyers. The DJI Mini 4K drone is a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced pilots, but availability is shrinking due to recent FCC rulings. This sale may be the last chance to acquire one legally for the foreseeable future.